Hi, boys and girls. So, one of your projects this week is to work on the New England Dream Vacation. We told you one of the options was you could create a book in Book Creator, which is a website that is linked on your Google Classroom. You can also create your book by hand, but if you decide to use the website, I'm going to show you some quick tricks on here to make it easier for you. So, when you start, you're going to click New Book right here, the orange rectangle. Choose your shape of your book. I think for this project, square is going to be your best choice. When you get in, you want to type your front cover. So these are your choices here. Import is to put a picture in, camera is to take a picture, pen is to free draw, text is to type, and then record would be to record your voice, which for this project we probably won't be doing. So let's say Rhode Island is my state. I would type in Rhode Island. Then you're going to go underneath the I and you can change the size of your font here. You might want to make it bigger for your front cover. You could center it. Oops, let me put the whole thing in there and then I could center it. Go like that, go like that. You can change the font. So you can look through all your font choices here. There's lots of great choices. And then you can go back here. You could change the color. So maybe I want to make it blue, maybe red. And you can make it bolder. You could underline it. Okay. Then go back and you probably want to put a picture on your front cover. So you can go to import and this is going to bring you right into Google to search. So Rhode Island is known for many things. One thing it's known for is its beaches. So I'm going to type in Rhode Island beaches because I want to be specific. And here I have some great pictures. It looks like Rhode Island beaches. I think this would look nice on my front cover. So I'm going to put that in. And it covers my words, so I'm going to click on it, just pull it in a little bit, go like that, and there's my front cover. Then you go to your next page, and on your next page is where you'll type some of your information, and we have all those directions in your Google Classroom of what would be on page 1, page 2, and so on. I'm going to go back to show you someone else's book. So in my class, I have a few books. Julie gave me permission to show her book. She hasn't done her front cover yet, but that's okay. I'm going to show you the inside of her book for a minute. And you can see here, she has a paragraph here with a picture. She did a really nice job. This is who's on her trip. Pack your bags. It's time to go to Maine. Allison, Mom, Dad, and I will jump into Mom's car and head north to Maine. Aunts, uncles, and cousins will meet us up there for our summer vacation. We hope there will be nice warm beach weather while we are there. Our favorite things to do are go to the beach, mini golf, get ice cream at Scoop Deck, ride go-karts, and have cookouts. So that's her first page. And then here's another one where she talks about what you can do and talks about going to the beaches. So here's some examples. I hope this was helpful, and we look forward to seeing more of your New England Dream Vacations.